This is a villa with a pool in Palm and Spa Hotel in Corfu. Just open the door. You pop your card in here, like that. So over here we have some light switches, which just turn on the lights for the main entrance. To your right, we have the bathroom. So inside here, we've got the toilet, a window here, a shower with 3 jets. So I think this is like a full body shower. And you also have this glass here to avoid any splashback when you're taking a shower. You've got a robe here. You've got some shampoo and foam bath here, some decoration. I don't know what that is. And you've got these really cool hanging, floating decorations. You've got your tap here and some hand soap here. So that is your bathroom. And you can see it's well lit, so you've got enough lighting here and some lighting next to the mirror. Also, you have a hairdryer here, so that's nice. It's attached to the wall. Just to the next room, you have your bedroom. So over here you have, I guess, a place to put your luggage. You've got some mirrors on the wall here. Over here you've got some body and face beauty treatments price list. So that's the price list. The owner actually gave us a tour around, and he said you'll be able to have some beauty treatments with their beauty lady, so that's nice. The Wi-Fi is here, and he said this was a certificate for I don't know if you can see that, a certificate for their mattress and carpets. And you have some information about their cleaning services here. Again, some decoration. And this is the remote for the air conditioning unit over there. So that's nice. And this is your bed. It's a nice double-sized bed with some 4 pillows, and again some decorations here. There is a light switch here which just turns on the main light. And you have a socket here. So you have a socket on each side of the bed, so that's really nice and useful. And your view looks like this. You have some curtains, these ones which let the light in, and these blackout curtains here. And your view is of your pool area, your hot tub, and I don't know if you can see, I'll show you later, but you have a really nice view outside. Okay, so moving on, here you have your storage cupboard space. So in here you've got a spare blanket, some place for your hangers. You have another robe and some flip-flops there. And again, you have these, I think these are IKEA mirrors. Just a nice mirror here if you want a long mirror. This wardrobe opens up to another blanket. You have a safe with a key. So that's nice. I don't know what's this. Some cleanliness operation guide and some scents, I guess, to make it smell nice. They've given you some anti-mosquito repellent, after bite stick, and some, he said these are mood lighting if you want to make it look nice after dark. And there's this first aid kit, which is useful. Cool. So we also have some drawers. These are empty. So this is, I guess, if you want some storage for your clothes when you stay. Also you have, you shouldn't touch this, but I guess this is your electric supply, a thermostat, and some light switches again, which turn off the light in the main room. Okay, so moving on, we have a really nice kitchenette area. They've given us some wine, some complimentary wine, a chopping board, some placemats. Up here you have some glasses and some more glass tumblers. You have a really nice place to wash your cups and plates. They've given you a kettle to boil some water. The guy said not to drink any water directly from the tap. It's best you boil it and then you can drink it. There's a toaster and an espresso machine here, and he has given us some pods. Oh, there's some Jacobs espresso. Yeah, Jacobs espresso 12 pods. Up here there's like a coffee filtration thing, a cup and some more cups there. Here you have some plates here for your own use, and if you want to cook you can use this hob here. And he said if you cook, please open the extractor fan. You just pull it and it turns on, so that's nice. Over here you have some cutlery, bottle opener, etc. Down here you have some pots and pans, some things you can cook with. Okay. And over here we have a bin with a fire extinguisher. And for the fridge, it's they've just given you a bottle of water for free, and it has, I think this is yeah, you can freeze stuff in there, and I think there's ice cubes in there already, so it's nice. Okay, so finally to this area, we have the living area. So you have a sofa there, you have some tables, some cube chairs, I think that's air freshener, some cute ornaments there, and your TV. And it's a really decent sized TV, I think. And he said all of the remotes are here. I'll take this out. And again, the curtains are exactly the same. Oh, we've got a friend. Hi, Moth. I'll leave him alone. And just a lamp here. So I'm gonna show you outside now, and this is the final thing. So he said to lock it, you push this in. But if we're not, then it's fine. Let's just open up. And has a mosquito thing also. So this is your outdoor space. You can see it's all covered by this white sheet. You've got 4 chairs, space here to have dinner. You've got a table and a nice place to sit down if you want to just enjoy the view. And again, this is what it looks like from the edge of where I'm standing. So you can see you've got your pool here, and your hot tub is there. This is a ball which has a light, and this controls, he said, this controls the light, so you can see at night. But that's it, no one is on top of you. Oh, there's a shower here as well. He said you definitely need to take a shower before you, they advise everyone has to take a shower before they use the hot tub. But that's your shower. In regards to privacy, you can't see anyone's rooms. You can't really see anyone over at all, but your view looks a bit like this. It's really pretty. There is a town just up there, and he said it's 5 minutes to walk, and there's a few things to do up there, so we'll explore that later. But yeah, so also a cool function, he said, is if you press this button here, it turns on these jets. So if you want to do laps or swim, you can, but you have to turn it off if you're not using it. And then the hot tub, you have steps. It looks like that. And you have your functions there. And that is it. He did say the jacuzzi water stays the same for your whole stay, so that's something to bear in mind, but we're only here for 1 day, so it shouldn't be a problem. But that is it. That is a room with a pool and jacuzzi in Palm and Spa. Thank you for watching. This is what the surrounding area looks like, similar to this. Just go down the steps. You have some grape plants there. And this is the entrance, this is where you can park your car. And it's just up there. That's your entrance. Yeah. And this is where you can park your car, and I'll just take you to the front. Ooh. So that's the main road. And that's the entrance there. So at the front here, this is where you'll come through, and it's a really narrow road, so maybe enough for one car, so just be careful at night when you are coming in. This is the view of the sunrise, and I'll just show you the view while I talk. So just something to mention, so this isn't your normal conventional hotel. There's no reception desk, and I think during the night and the afternoon it's not manned, so it's more similar to your like Airbnb or villa type stay. The owner did meet us when we checked in, and he did a really in-depth tour of the room, and he said someone would be in at 10:30 to check us out. So it's currently around 7:30, and this is the view, and you can see the mountains in the distance. But yeah, I'll show you some of the outside later, but this is what it looks like. So thank you again for watching.